Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are doing a retirement portfolio update for you here on my Robinhood account. Let's talk a little bit about where we're sitting at, as well as all the stocks that we currently have /ETFs. So I'll show those, as well as the total returns that I have for each and every single one of them. So let's kind of break a few things down. First off, we do have all this in a traditional IRA. The portfolio is currently sitting at $238,576. And as you could see here for the day, it was down a little bit, but after hours, it did go back up. So let's actually go ahead and see how we've been performing here and actually clean up some of this stuff on screen here for us. Just because I do have a few things I need to showcase on the right-hand side over time. So right over here, you could see in the last week, we are up 2.15%. So we've been doing pretty well there. Over the last month, we are actually down about 1.07%. And then in the last 3 months, we're actually up 18.62%. So doing pretty well there. And then if we go to year to date, right now we're filming this in July. So year to date is pretty much, halfway through the year here for us. And we're sitting up at 11.51%, which is $24,600. If we go look at the last year, we're up 34.82%, 61,000. If we go into our all-time here, we're up 105%, which is 122,000. And this is obviously a little misleading because when I transferred this over from another platform, obviously the stats kind of all got reset there for us. So this is not my overall return for my portfolio. This is just since I moved it over here to Robinhood. Now, just a quick heads up on that. You could see here, I actually moved it into Robinhood in early January of 2024 because they had a really nice transfer bonus for moving over your retirement account. So if you are somebody who's interested in how to do that, I'll have a video in the show notes down below. And if you actually want to sign up for Robinhood and don't yet have an account, I'll have my referral link in the show notes down below. That is a partner link, helps us out, but also gets you a free sign up bonus with that. So make sure you check it out. And like I said, I'll support you with additional videos on how to set things up properly. All right, so another thing I do want to kind of mention here in my portfolio, if you actually look here towards the bottom, our buying power, we actually have quite a bit of buying power because I did sell some of my holdings, mostly the main holding I have here. The all-time high kind of hit, and I wanted to kind of pull a little bit off the table and maybe start redistributing it in other areas. And again, I'll show you what that all looks like here in our stock section in just a moment. And then the other thing I did want to mention is right down here at the bottom. So this is what's really great with Robinhood. They do a 3% match because I do have Robinhood Gold. So as I'm investing inside of this portfolio for the retirement account, I am getting a match. So I got an extra $39 that I cannot physically put into a retirement account. And they're actually adding in that for me. Now, I will hit the match or the max before the end of the year. I'm just kind of doing it slowly because I'm also working on my HSA, which I have videos for here on the channel as well, plus focusing in on some other things as well. I did max out the year before. You could see we got a total of $210. So I do like getting that free money because, again, I can only put in so much every single year. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll back up here and take a look at the holdings that I have for us. I'm going to clean up the screen here just a little bit. And we're going to start at the very bottom. So over here at the very bottom, we have Microsoft. We have 3.74 shares at this. Now, these are just individual stocks that I kind of break into because most of my retirement is focused on the more safer side of things. And by safer, just more space or more baseline type of investing. So this one right over here, we just kind of have a little bit going in. So we only have a little gain of $73.23, which is 5.27%. And the reason for this is because I just started buying back in as it's been hitting pretty much all-time lows here for us. And the PE ratio has gotten pretty low. So I was actually starting to buy in individually for this. So next up here is going to be VTV. Now, I only have 4.27 shares of this. And to be honest, part of the reason for this was because if, potentially the market might slow down a little bit, some value stocks might get some really good returns. And that happened to be the case. You could see here, we're up about 10% on this. So just a little bit in here as well, too, and with some really nice gains. I don't know if I'm going to hold these forever. I do know I might hold a little bit of it because I do have some of this in some of the retirement accounts that I do help manage for family members. And so depending on their age, this might be a better investment than others. So just something to keep in mind for that. And then next up here is Google. This is going to be our largest individual stock holding. I did have more, but I did sell a little bit of this as well too. So we have 100 shares, well, 100.33 shares. I was doing some options trading with this, just being able to make a little bit of extra money for it. And if it did sell, it sold. It wasn't that big of a deal. So from here, you could see we're actually up 91.07%, which is $16,980. So really good gains here. And like I said, I sold some as well too. So I did take some of those gains off the table, which is actually where that 55,000 partially also comes from. All right, so here is our last holding, and you might have guessed what this one was, or maybe come close to it. This is going to be VOOG. It looks like we have a lot of shares, but keeping in mind they just recently did a stock split. So we currently have 1,773.80 shares, and this was also one that I sold a little bit of, taking some off of the top there to add into our buying power. Now, keep in mind, this is the one I've had since the beginning of rolling this over here for us. So the total gains on this one is 59.95%, and this is going to be $54,325.22. So again, because we are having this as retirement, I wanted a little bit more stability with the main ETF that we have in here. So this is going to be the bulk of what we are carrying in this portfolio. Obviously, Google's in second. We got some VTV and then a little bit of Microsoft as we're building that position with the current price point that it's at. And like I mentioned earlier, if you want to go ahead and sign up for Robinhood and you don't already have an account, we'll have it linked in the show notes down below or here as a QR code on screen to sign up, get a free stock, help support us out to keep on making free content just like this. And speaking of free content, I'm going to post my next video right over here on screen for you so you can keep on watching.